Hello children, yesterday we discussed about constructions part 1, that is I showed you through the animation how to draw perpendicular bisector. Then we discussed about angle bisectors and then how to make the angle of 30, 60, 90, 22 and a half, 45 and so on. Alright, this was all about exercise 11.1. I hope the topic was clear to you. Today I am going to start how to construct a triangle. Construct a triangle. First I will brief you with this topic and then you will see the animation video. Right? How to construct a triangle. See, whenever we are making a triangle, the basic requirement is I should know three things. Either I should know three angles, or I should know three sides, or I should know three angle bisectors, or whatever, perpendicular bisectors and so on. But how to construct a triangle when you have been given, perimeter is given to you, perimeter of triangle is given to you and you have been given two base angles. Two base angles are also given to you. Let us take. Suppose the question is perimeter of a triangle is 11 centimeter. Draw the, and suppose base angles and base angles, both the base angles. Base angles का मतलब जो base के angles हैं are, suppose it is given 30 degree and 90 degree. Let us take. ठीक है? Then how to construct a triangle? How will you do? Since you don't have to write the steps of constructions in it, so just listen to me very carefully and just make it. आपने क्या करना है? सबसे पहले you make the base. Let us make a straight line. Let us take PQ as 11 centimeter. First step is draw PQ equal to 11 centimeter. Right? In the next step, what you have to do, you draw base angle here. आपने क्या करना है? With the help of compass, this is 60 and then the perpendicular bisector of 60. This angle is 30 degree, right? So you draw. You draw angle bisectors of both. First of all, suppose this is 30, na? So you draw angle P equal to 30 degree and angle Q equal to 90 degree. Remember, with the help of compass only. So again a semicircle and then 60, 120 and this comes out to be 90. और do remember कि आपको इसको dotted से ही बनाना है, ठीक है? This is the 90 degree angle, right? तो अब क्या करना है? Third thing, draw angle bisectors. Angle bisectors of base angles. जो आपको base angles दिए हुए हैं उनके एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स बनाओ. अब दैट मीन्स एंगल P का अगेन यू हैव टू मेक द एंगल बाइसेक्टर. ये एक लाइन लगी, यहाँ से एक. व्हाट आई सेड, ड्रॉ एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ बेस एंगल्स. एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ बेस एंगल्स का मतलब है ये जो आपने 30 डिग्री बनाया है, यहाँ से आप एक इसका एंगल बाइसेक्टर बनाइए. अगेन विद द डॉटेड लाइन आप इसको पूरा लेके जाइए. तो ये 30 का जो बाइसेक्टर बनेगा वो बनेगा 15 डिग्री, राइट ना? तो सिमिलरली 90 का भी यू जस्ट कीप योर कंपास हियर, पुट अ क्रॉस, पुट एन आर्क एंड मेक अ क्रॉस एंड यू ड्रॉ द एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ 90 विच कम्स आउट टू बी 45. और ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, प्लीज सी, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, point of intersection of two angle bisectors is vertex A. Vertex A of triangle ABC. Angle bisectors of base angle will give you the point A. So this is point A, right? ये vertex एक vertex आ गया. अब what is to be done? The vertex is made. Now what people have to do? You have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this. See, of AP. एक इसका एंगल बाइसेक्टर का ये बनाया. अब अगर हम इसी का perpendicular bisector means compass more than half, draw one arc. Compass more than half, draw another arc. इधर से भी एक arc, इधर से भी another arc. You join it again with the dotted line. और इसको let it meet PQ. And the point where these perpendicular bisectors will meet will give you vertex B and C. Both the vertices you will be getting from the perpendicular bisectors of AP and PQ. Again I am writing here, draw perpendicular bisectors of AP and AQ and point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of AP and PQ is vertex B, right? And point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of AQ and PQ is vertex C. So in this way you will be finding here also the point where these perpendicular bisectors meet. तो अब ये जो point आएगा आपका, here it is B and here it is C, right? So you will find कि जब ये angle बनेगा ना, join triangle ABC, join triangle ABC, please check it out. Join AB, BC, I am writing here, join AB, BC and AC. Then triangle ABC is required triangle, right? So triangle ABC is required triangle and you will find कि ये जो angle आया है ना, that will be the same as base angle. ये भी 90 रहेगा and this angle B will be 30 degree. Angle C is 90 degree, angle B is 30 degree and then you find out the measurement of AB, AC निकालिए और BC निकालिए. You will find कि AB plus BC plus AC comes out to be 11 centimeter. ये तीनों की जो measurement आएगी वो 11 centimeter आएगी if your construction is right. Alright? Now please watch the animation once again. Got it?